Hello guys, today let us continue our solving trigonometry. We're now in part 6, number 43. Find the factor of cos theta minus cos theta sine theta over cos theta plus cos theta cotangent theta in terms of sine theta and cos theta. So the required is we're going to find the factor of this given trigonometric expression in the form of sine theta and cos theta. Our procedure is number 1, factor the numerator and denominator, and second, find the common factor of the given expression, and the third, we're going to solve. Our solution in this given cos theta minus cos theta sine theta over cos theta plus cos theta cotangent theta, the first procedure we're going to factor the numerator. To factor the numerator, we're going to find the common factor of the numerator here. The common factor cos theta sine theta. The common factor is cos theta and cos theta. So that's why we write here our common factor is cos theta. For denominator, cos theta plus cos theta cotangent theta. So the same cos theta we have here. So that's why our denominator is cos theta also here. So our common factor is cos theta. Now, after knowing the common factor, the cos theta, we're going to divide. Cos theta divided by cos theta is equals to 1. We are write the parentheses. Then, next, this term, cos theta sine theta, we're going to divide it by this. So, cos theta divided by cos theta, cancelled, comes 1, 1. Then, the remaining is sine theta, so we write minus sine theta. So this will be our answer for the factor and the numerator. For the denominator, we're also going to factor. So our common factor is cos theta from here. So we're going to divide cos theta divided by cos theta. So the answer is 1. Then plus cos theta cotangent theta, divide natin sa cos theta, cancel. So the remaining is cotangent theta. So this will be our answer, and we will continue. We're going to simplify. So cos theta 1 minus sine theta, this will be we're going to cancel these two, cos theta and cos theta. So their meaning is only 1 minus sine theta and 1 plus cotangent theta. It's here now our answer. And then next, we're going to simplify 1 plus cotangent theta. 1 minus sine theta is all the same, we're going to copy. And for 1 plus cotangent theta, we're going to, the value of cotangent theta is equals to cos theta over sine theta. And this, we're going to multiply the sine theta times 1 plus cosine theta. So the result is 1 divided minus sine theta divided by sine theta plus cos theta over sine theta. And after this, we're going to simplify again by using reciprocal process. So we're going to reciprocate. So 1 minus sine theta over 1 times, we're going to reverse. It becomes sine theta over sine theta plus cos theta. It becomes a denominator now. Then we're going to multiply horizontally. 1 minus sine theta times sine theta equals 1 times sine theta equals sine theta. Then minus sine theta times sine theta equals, we're going to add the exponent of every sine. So that's why we have sine squared theta. Over, we can also multiply 1 times sine theta equals sine theta. Then 1 times cos theta equals cos theta. This will be our final answer. It becomes now the form of sine theta and cos theta. Okay, number 44. Simplify 1 over 1 plus sine theta minus 1 over 1 minus sine theta. Okay, our procedure to solve this given question. First, we are going to find the LCD. LCD, less common denominator, just like a normal fraction. Then solve like a fraction. Okay, remember finding the sum of or the difference of whole fraction. So we will use that kind of process. So our solution, we're going to find the LCD. In finding the LCD of this given expression, we're going to multiply. So the given denominator 1 plus sine theta times 1 minus sine theta from here. Okay? And then the given, we have to write first the given. 1 over 1 plus sine theta minus 1 over 1 minus sine theta is equals to, you will write a line first, the division line, then write the LCD. This will be the LCD. 1 plus sine theta times 1 minus sine theta. And then we're going to divide this LCD, the denominator, divide from the first trigonometric function, trigonometric expression. So we have to cancel. It's the same. So the remaining is 1 minus sine theta. We're going to multiply this at the denominator, at the numerator rather, and then it becomes now 1 minus sine theta. Then copy this fundamental sign minus. Then we will write a parenthesis. We will do this in order to have a right sign after the computation. Because if you will not use this parenthesis, so we maybe we can have wrong sign numbers. And then the next step is this denominator divided to the second expression of trigonometric. So we're going to divide now, cancel, so the remaining is 1 plus sine theta times the numerator, so it becomes now parenthesis 1 plus sine theta. And this we're going to simplify again. 1 plus sine theta, then multiply 1 minus negative times 1 equals negative 1. Negative times positive equals to negative sine theta. Okay, no more symbols. Then just only copy the denominator. 1 plus sine theta times 1 minus sine theta. Then 1 positive, then 1 negative, we're going to cancel that, so it becomes no more. Then minus sine theta, then minus sine theta, or negative sine theta, negative sine theta. So we're going to add the silent one here, so it becomes now 2 sine theta. Copy only the sign, negative. And the denominator, we're going to multiply now. It becomes 1 times 1 equals 1. Since positive and negative, directly we're going to multiply that. Positive times negative equals negative. In sine theta, we're going to add the exponent if we're going to multiply. So that's why we have sine squared theta. Then, and negative to sine theta, the numerator is already simplified. But the denominator 1 minus sine squared theta, we have the value for this. Take note, identity, fundamental identity element of trigonometric expression. We have sine squared theta plus cos squared theta equals 1. And then we have cos squared theta, then transpose becomes now 1. And the positive changes to negative becomes 1 sine squared theta. This will be the denominators here. It becomes now cos squared theta. That's why our final answer is cos squared theta. This will be our final answer now. Okay guys, number 45 problem. Find the cosecant theta if sine theta is equals to 1/2 and is in quadrant 2 or in the second quadrant. So there is a condition that the cosecant should be placed at the quadrant 2. Our procedure, first determine the sign of sine theta and second quadrant. So here, this is the Cartesian plane. This line here is called the y-axis, and this is the x-axis. I forgot the arrow here. And then remember, this is the first quadrant. The sign of the coordinate is positive and positive, and here is negative and positive. And the third quadrant, this is the second, this is the third, negative, negative, and for the fourth quadrant, positive and negative. So since second quadrant, so it should be here. The cosecant is also equivalent to sine. The sine is our y coordinates. So it should be positive is the sign of the cosecant. Upon knowing that, remember the identity element of trigonometric expression. We have sine theta is equals to 1 over cosecant theta, and cosecant theta is equals to 1 over sine theta, and etc. Then the third we're going to solve now by using the cosecant theta, because this is the questions and the problem. Cosecant theta equals 1 over sine theta. It should be here. So this would be now our formula to find the answer for that question. And then cosecant theta is equals to 1, copy the denominator, the line here, and the value of sine theta is equivalent to 1/2 right here. Then 1/2 here, since complex fraction now, 1 over 1 and a fraction, 1/2. So we have to do to find the answer for this fraction, we're going to reverse our reciprocal method. So in numerator, we will use this as fraction. It becomes a 1 over 1 times, since reciprocal method, we're going to multiply. Instead of division, we're going to change to multiplication. Then reverse the 1/2 becomes now 2 over 1. And then directly multiply the numerator. 1 times 2 equals 2. Then the denominator, 1 times 1 equals 1. Then simplify 2 divided by 1 equals 2. Our answer is 2. And our answer is positive. Why? Because a while ago in our procedure, the cosecant, it should be at the second quadrant and the sign is positive. That's why our answer is positive 2.